Tata Sons Chairman-in-Waiting Cyrus Mistry attended the annual general meeting of the group's IT flagship TCS. Addressing the shareholders, Ratan Tata today said Cyrus has the capabilities to lead the diversified Tata Group through tough times. ETNA's Nisha Podar was at the AGM and gives us a wrap of what's happened.
The attraction of the day was Cyrus Mistry, indeed the future chairman of the Tata Empire. Now, for the first time, he has attended a shareholders meet of the Tata Group, and this marks a very important beginning of the long relationship that he is going to share with the shareholders of the Tata companies. Now, Ratan Tata, remember, gets a lot of warmth and respect from the shareholders, which have been observing over past so many AGMs over the years, and that's something that Cyrus Mistry would like to replicate. Ratan Tata today re-emphasized that Cyrus Mistry is the right candidate for the top post at Tata's. He has ingrained in him the values, the ethical values which Tata Group is known for. Now, talking about Cyrus Mistry, he is known to be shy and also very reserved. But today, he was a different person altogether. He was extremely relaxed, comfortable, and was smiling, laughing at lighter moments in the AGM. I didn't see him interact with the shareholders just yet, but he was talking and cracking jokes with the management and the board members of TCS. And it looked like a more comfortable and casual approach. Now, given the aura that Ratan Tata has around him and his seniority, both in terms of age and experience, there is a little bit of a formal relationship with the younger members of his team. But looks like, because Cyrus Mistry is young, it looks like it may just work in his favor to strike the right chord with his team members, is my sense.